Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you this crochet mug cozy. I used a G hook, medium worsted yarn. If this video is too fast, I do place it somewhat in slow motion, but you can too. The link for that is down below, and the pattern is down below as well. And if you are working as a beginner, I have beginner links on how to crochet if you need help with that in the description. So let's get started. I'm going to do a chain 16. The mug measures 4 inches by 11 inches around, so it is a standard size mug. Now in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to slip stitch and slip stitch until I get to the end. This is the handle part of the cozy. Now I'm going to chain 16 again. After you're done with the chain 16, go back and slip stitch it together, and then you're going to turn and chain 1 and single crochet in each chain across on the chain 16. Now you're going to repeat by chain 1 and single crochet in the back loops until you get to the end. Continue this on for 36 rows total, or until it fits around your mug. Now chain 16 again for the handle. Now slip stitch, and then you're going to slip stitch into the chain 16 to finish the handle. Now take your yarn needle and weave in your ends. Your crochet mug cozy is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and the pattern is down below. Please comment. I love to read any comments that you may have, and like and follow for more.